In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage spam comments on WordPress.com. This process can help you maintain a clean and organized comment section on your site, making it enjoyable for your readers and easier for you to manage. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is head over to the WordPress.com login page. You can easily find it by doing a quick search online. Once there, sign in using your credentials. It's important to ensure you're logging into the right account, especially if you manage multiple sites, so double-check to avoid any mix-ups. After logging in, you'll want to navigate to the main dashboard of your WordPress account. Look for the option titled Settings. This is where you control various aspects of your website's functionality, including comments. Once in the Settings menu, seek out Discussion. This tab is specifically designed to help you manage all things related to comments and interactions on your posts. Clicking on Discussion will bring up a range of options that allow you to fine-tune how you want comments to function on your site. Now that you're in the discussion settings, you'll need to locate the section called Other Comment Settings. This is where you can edit the parameters to customize your comment experience. Take your time to go through the options available. For instance, you might want to adjust the settings to automatically close comments on posts older than a certain number of days. This simple step can significantly minimize spam from piling up on outdated posts. While you're here, you can also tweak the settings to meet your specific requirements. Perhaps you want to enforce a rule where a comment must be manually approved before it goes live, or you might wish to automatically hold comments in a moderation queue if they contain specific words. Tailor these options according to what best suits your content strategy and engagement preferences. If you find that dealing with comments is becoming too much, or if you simply prefer other forms of interaction, you might choose to close comments entirely on older posts or specific sections of your blog. Just find the option to close comments and enable it as desired. Finally, and most importantly, don't forget to hit Save Changes once you've tailored the settings to your liking. This ensures all your adjustments are retained and applied across your site. It's a small but crucial step in the process. And there you have it. Managing spam comments on WordPress.com is straightforward once you know your way around the settings. By taking these steps, you can keep your site's comment section clean and engaged, reducing unwanted spam content from clogging up your posts. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging!